So we're going to be doing a bobble stitch 4. So I'm going to go ahead and first yarn over, go into your stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through the first 2 loops. So that is a bobble stitch 1. You'll know that you've completed this correctly because you'll always have one additional loop on your hook than bobble stitches that you've completed. So I'm now going to go ahead and do bobble stitch 2. Again, you're going to yarn over, push through, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and just pull through the first 2. That was bobble stitch 2, and I have 3 loops on my hook, knowing I've completed that correctly. I'm going to go ahead and move on to bobble stitch 3 and 4 a little quicker here. Yarn over, push through, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through just my first 2. Yarn over, push through, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2. That was now bobble stitch 4. I know I've completed that correctly because I have 5 loops on my hook. I'm now going to yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. And that is a completed bobble stitch 4.